Today we have a hair transformation. As you can see, we got some blonde pops, some brightness around the face, and I did this with a few foils all around the perimeter, the front, a little bit down here through the bottom. Can't see too much. And also, look, check this out. I had an undercut forever ago and it's finally coming back. So I feel like there's a fourth of my hair still gone and it's really ugly looking. So think about that twice before you do that. Pretty much what I wanted to do was give myself some lightness around the face, just brighten things up during this time. The tones that I have in my hair right now are all warm, so I didn't really care too much about toning my highlights. I literally lifted my hair to this lightness and I didn't tone it. I just did a little bit of a root melt, which you will see. Soon enough, I will add more highlights because right up until here, we look good, but then this happens and it's like, are you gonna be okay? But for today, I got it out of my system. So, disclaimer, I am a professional hairstylist, so I know the foundation and the fundamentals of doing this kind of stuff, but if you do it, I am not going to stop you, especially during this quarantine. I know a lot of people just have a tendency to like take it out on their hair for whatever reason that is. You want to cut your bangs, you want to color it, you want to, I don't know, but I can totally understand. I hope that you don't do it. I hope that you can just wait until everything is over and you can go to your preferred stylist, book an appointment with me if you're in San Antonio, whoever, wherever you are. I hope that you wait for professional help, but I don't blame you if you do try to do something. And I'm just gonna say though that if you do plan to bleach your hair, be very mindful, do some research, and just remember that it all depends on how your hair is before you bleach it. Is it healthy? Is it strong? Can it withhold it? Do you have any conditioning, protein, treatments, and products that you can put in your hair afterwards? Those things are absolutely crucial and necessary when you are going blonde. And if this doesn't serve as any information or knowledge to you, I do hope that it serves as some kind of entertainment and inspiration for when you can get back in the salon, that you have an idea of how you may want to switch up your hair. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll appreciate that so much. It will help me reach my goals and my dreams ultimately. So if you want to see how I created this look and this little mini transformation, then keep on watching. I wanted you guys to see what it looks like in natural lighting so we can compare afterwards. Shirt that I don't care about staining, check. Towel I don't care about staining, check. So today what I'm going to be using is the Matrix Light Master. This is one of my favorites. Here is my lightener. So what I'm going to do is leave the outer perimeter of my hair all the way out. So now that we have the hair clipped up, I'm going to start from the back forward. Highlighting your own hair is definitely a lot harder than it looks. Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. We're gonna just do a little pop in, and it's getting really light. I'm ready to take this off. I don't look like a professional hairstylist right now. Okay guys, so I just rinsed out the foils and there's a lot going on that I don't like. So we're gonna hit it up with a root tap, a little shadow root. Okay. Level 6. And I'm only gonna leave this in for about 10 minutes. And we should be good to go. We ran out of daylight. Well, whatever of daylight is left is very minimal, but you can still see basically what I have going on here. It looks so much lighter around here. Obviously, I don't have it everywhere, but I will get to that another day. What do you guys think? All right, guys, well, that pretty much sums it up for today. I enjoyed sitting here talking to you guys for a little bit and having some fun editing and creating some stuff for you guys.